Greetings from Infra Engineers India, a star export house for used equipment duly accredited by the Government of India. Hitachi Japan has been manufacturing equipment in India for over 2 decades now and is a market leader in the country. Hitachi is producing and supplying excavators of various tonnage ranging from 2 tons to 200 tons and is exporting across the world. Infra Engineers India has been in the used construction equipment industry for over a decade, signifying its expertise in all aspects of the product. The company carefully procures used construction equipment domestically and executes the refurbishment process with a team of over 190 dedicated workforce in their workshop. After refurbishment, the equipment is exported proficiently across the globe. The speciality of the company is that they deal with multi-brand equipment catering to various requirements of the customer. We have exported over 315 Hitachi excavators of various models and have major clients in Africa and Southeast Asia. Infra Engineers India also manufacture and export specialized excavator attachments like Slope Vibratory Compactor, Pad Food Compactor, High Neck, etc. The demand for construction equipment is increasing with the change in market scenario. All manufacturers have started their manufacturing units in India, taking care of the domestic market and export operations globally. In the future, India would be the major construction equipment export hub in the world. Their refurbished equipment has positive feedback and are working very well. The company receives repeated orders from the existing customers. Infra Engineers India strives to make it as a one-stop destination for all used construction equipment needs. Please feel free to contact Infra Engineers India